10.2 Example 2. In this video, we're going to find the component form of a vector with magnitude 3 and the direction angle of 40 degrees. So previously, we were given the component form and we wanted to find the magnitude and the direction. Now we're given the magnitude and direction and want to find the component form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw this vector first. So I know I have an angle of 40 degrees. So that's going to be almost 45. So that's about, I don't know, that much. And then the direction is here and the magnitude is 3. So this length is 3. So what I like to do is draw on a little triangle. And again, this is theta, which is 40 degrees. This is y. And this is x. So actually finding the components is not that difficult. We go x is equal to 3 cosine of 40 degrees. And y is equal to 3 sine of 40 degrees. And that's just using a little bit of trigonometry and right angles. And don't forget to change your calculator to degrees if the problem gives it to you in degrees. And so we're actually almost done with this problem. We just write the vector is equal to 3 cosine of 40, comma, 3 sine of 40. Because the x goes in the first component and the y goes in the second. And then you just put those in your calculator and you get about 2.298, comma, 1.928. Okay, now on your own, I want you to find the component form of a vector that has a magnitude of 8 and a direction of 170 degrees. All right, so let's give that a shot here. So I'm going to go ahead and the first thing I'm going to do is draw it. So 170 degrees is going to be something like this. It's almost 180. So this is 170 degrees. So then what I do is I go ahead and I draw that triangle. So I draw a line down and I draw a line across. That's my x and that's my y. And my theta is going to be this number in here, which is actually only 10 degrees. It's not 170. And my magnitude is 8. So then in order to find that, x is going to be equal to 8 cosine of 10, and y is going to be equal to 8 sine of 10. Now, if you wanted to do it this way, this number is going to end up being positive, and you're going to have to make it negative because we're in the second quadrant. Or what you can do is you can just type it in your calculator like this. 8 cosine of 170, 8 sine of 170. And it'll just give you the answer right away, which is going to be negative 7.878, comma, 1.389. Again, if you did it with 8 cosine of 10, this would give you 7.878. And you would have to just take this number and make it negative because we're in the second quadrant.